Vlogging tips. Filming with action cameras. Title: Vlogging tips. Filming with action cameras. Introduction: 100 words. Vlogging, short for video blogging, has become an immensely popular form of content creation on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. With the growing demand for engaging and high-quality videos, vloggers are continually seeking innovative ways to capture their adventures and experiences. One such tool that has revolutionized the vlogging industry is the action camera. Originally designed for extreme sports, action cameras are now being used by vloggers to create immersive and thrilling content. In this article, we will explore some valuable tips for filming with action cameras to help vloggers elevate their video quality and storytelling capabilities. 1. Choose the right action camera. 200 words. Selecting the proper action camera is the first step towards capturing stunning vlogs. With several models available on the market, considering factors such as video quality, image stabilization, battery life, and ease of use is essential. Some popular choices are GoPro Hero 9, DJI Osmo Action, and Sony RX02. 2. Optimize camera settings. 200 words. To maximize the potential of your action camera, it is crucial to understand and optimize its settings. Starting with resolution, filming in higher resolutions such as 4K or 1080p will provide greater clarity. However, these settings may impact battery life and require additional storage space. Frame rate selection depends on the desired effect. Higher frame rates like 60 fps or 120 fps deliver smooth slow-motion footage, whereas 24 fps or 30 fps provide a more cinematic look. 3. Utilize mounts and accessories. 250 words. Action cameras are known for their versatility and wide range of mounting options. Experimenting with various mounts and accessories can help vloggers capture unique perspectives and enhance their storytelling. Popular mounts include helmet mounts, chest mounts, and selfie sticks. These accessories provide stability and enable hands-free filming, ensuring smooth footage even during intense activities. 4. Master the art of stabilization. 250 words. Due to their compact size, action cameras are often susceptible to vibrations and shakiness, resulting in distorted videos. To counteract this issue, mastering the art of stabilization is vital. Utilize built-in stabilization features like electronic image stabilization, (EIS), or optical image stabilization, (OIS), if available. Alternatively, external gimbals and stabilizers can further improve the overall stability of your shots. 5. Experiment with different shooting modes. 200 words. Action cameras generally offer multiple shooting modes that can add dynamism and diversity to your vlogs. Popular modes include time-lapse, slow motion, burst mode, and underwater mode. These modes allow vloggers to capture stunning visuals and create captivating content that keeps viewers engaged. 6. Pay attention to lighting conditions. 200 words. Achieving optimal lighting is crucial for capturing high-quality footage. While action cameras offer reasonable performance in well-lit conditions, they might struggle in low-light environments. To overcome this limitation, consider investing in external lighting attachments for improved results. Additionally, leveraging natural lighting during daytime shoots can enhance the overall visual appeal of your vlogs. 7. Post-processing and editing. 200 words. Post-processing and editing play a pivotal role in polishing your vlogs and creating a cohesive storyline. Utilizing video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro helps in refining your footage, adding music, transitions, and text overlays, and ensuring a professional outcome. Experiment with color correction and grading to enhance the visual aesthetics of your videos. 8. Engage with your audience. 200 words. In addition to the technical aspects of filming with action cameras, it's important to actively engage with your audience. As a vlogger, you want to build a loyal community of viewers who are invested in your content. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage interaction through Q&A sessions or live streams. This not only helps you connect with your audience on a personal level, but also provides valuable insights into their preferences and interests. Before you start filming, think about the key highlights or experiences you want to showcase. Create a storyboard or shot list to outline the sequence of shots you need to tell a compelling story. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you capture all the necessary footage for your vlog. 10. Experiment with audio recording, 200 words. Good audio quality is just as important as excellent video quality in vlogging. Action cameras are often equipped with built-in microphones, but they may not always provide the best audio experience. Consider investing in external microphones for better sound clarity. There are various options available, such as lapel microphones, shotgun microphones, or even wireless microphones, depending on your specific needs. Experiment with different microphone placements and settings to find the setup that works best for your vlogs. 11. Be mindful of battery life, 200 words. Action cameras can drain battery quickly, especially when shooting in higher resolutions or using features like Wi-Fi connectivity. To avoid running out of power in the middle of filming, carry spare batteries or invest in portable power banks to keep your action camera charged on the go. Additionally, optimizing camera settings, such as reducing screen brightness or turning off unnecessary features when not in use, can help conserve battery life. 12. Ensure proper storage and backups, 250 words. As action cameras record high-resolution videos, it's important to have ample storage space available. Invest in high-capacity memory cards to ensure that you can capture all the footage you need without interruption. It's also crucial to have a backup system in place to prevent the loss of your valuable content. Consider transferring your footage to a computer or external hard drive regularly and create duplicate copies to avoid data loss due to memory card failures or accidental deletion. 13. Continuously learn and improve, 200 words. Lastly, embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. The world of vlogging and content creation is constantly evolving, so stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and techniques. Watch other vloggers, take inspiration from their work, and analyze what makes their videos successful. Learn from your own vlogs, seek feedback from your audience, and reflect on how you can refine your storytelling and cinematography skills. Remember that vlogging is a journey, and every video you create is an opportunity to grow and evolve as a vlogger. 14. Collaborate with other vloggers, 200 words. Collaborating with other vloggers can be a great way to expand your audience and create unique content together. Reach out to vloggers in your niche and propose collaboration ideas that align with both of your styles and interests. This can involve filming joint adventures, sharing tips and tricks, or even creating a series of collaborative videos. By cross-promoting each other's channels, you can tap into each other's audiences and gain exposure to new viewers. 15. Utilize storytelling techniques, 250 words. As a vlogger, storytelling is a powerful tool that can captivate your audience and make your videos more engaging. Incorporate storytelling techniques into your vlogs by creating a narrative arc, introducing conflict or challenges, and resolving them in a satisfying way. Use techniques such as voiceovers, on-screen text, or interviews to add depth and context to your footage. By structuring your vlogs like a story, you can create a more immersive and emotionally compelling experience for your viewers. 16. Consider waterproofing and protection, 200 words. Action cameras are designed to withstand rugged environments, but it's still important to take precautions to protect your camera from damage. If you plan to film underwater or in extreme weather conditions, invest in waterproof housing or protective cases specifically designed for your action camera model. This will ensure that your camera remains safe and functional while capturing stunning footage in challenging environments. 17. Optimize audio settings, 200 words. In addition to using external microphones, optimizing the audio settings on your action camera can further enhance sound quality. Explore the audio settings menu and adjust options such as wind noise reduction, volume levels, and microphone sensitivity to minimize background noise and capture clear audio. Experiment with different settings in various filming scenarios to find the optimal configuration for your vlogs. 18. Capture B-roll footage, 250 words. B-roll footage refers to supplementary footage that is used to enhance the main shots in your vlogs. Experiment with capturing different angles, close-ups, or scenery shots to add visual interest and variety to your videos. B-roll footage can be used to transition between scenes, illustrate a point, or provide context. By incorporating B-roll into your vlogs, you can make them more visually appealing and enhance the overall storytelling experience. 19. Plan for post-production time.